Hello everyone. Today we will discuss staff nurse previous year question paper MCQs. So let's get started. Photograph helps in monitoring. Correct answer is B. Labor progress. The photograph is used to monitor cervical dilation, fetal well-being, and uterine contractions during labor. It helps detect abnormal labor patterns early. Next question. Most effective pain relief in active labor is. Correct answer is B. Epidural analgesia. Epidural provides continuous pain relief without affecting maternal consciousness. It is commonly used in active labor. Next question. Painless third trimester bleeding is a classical sign of. Correct answer is B. Placenta previa. Placenta previa typically presents with painless, bright red vaginal bleeding due to placental attachment near or over the cervix. Next question. Abruptio placentae commonly presents with. Correct answer is B. Sudden severe abdominal pain with bleeding. Premature placental separation causes painful vaginal bleeding and a tender, rigid uterus. Next question. Umbilical cord prolapse is most dangerous because it can cause. Correct answer is B. Fetal hypoxia. Prolapsed cord can be compressed during contractions, cutting off oxygen supply to the fetus. Next question. Polyhydramnios is defined as amniotic fluid index AFI more than. Correct answer is C. 24 centimeter. AFI above 24 centimeter indicates excessive amniotic fluid often seen in fetal maternal diabetes. Next question. One major risk to the fetus in gestational diabetes is. Correct answer is B. Hypoglycemia. High maternal glucose leads to fetal insulin overproduction, resulting in hypoglycemia after birth. Next question. Preterm labor is defined as labor occurring before. Correct answer is C. 37 weeks. Delivery before 37 completed weeks is considered preterm and increases neonatal morbidity. Next question. Common cause of prolonged labor. Correct answer is C. Cephalopelvic disproportion when the fetal head is too large for the maternal pelvis. Labor progress is obstructed. Next question. Gonorrhea in pregnancy can lead to. Correct answer is A. Neonatal blindness. Gonorrhea can cause ophthalmia neonatum in newborns, leading to blindness if untreated. Next question. Which condition is associated with decreased amniotic fluid? Correct answer is B. Oligohydramnios. Oligohydramnios refers to abnormally low levels of amniotic fluid, often due to fetal renal issues or prolonged pregnancy. Next question. First step in managing a cord prolapse. Correct answer is C. Relieve pressure from the cord. Immediate manual evaluation of the presenting cord reduces cord compression and maintains fetal oxygenation. Next question. Syphilis in pregnancy is diagnosed using. Correct answer is B. VDRL test. VDRL is a screening test for syphilis which can be transmitted to the fetus and cause congenital infection. Next question. Best time to administer antenatal corticosteroids in preterm labor risk. Correct answer is C. Between 24 to 34 weeks, corticosteroids help mature fetal lungs and reduce complications when given during this gestational window. Next question. Which analgesia method is safest in a normal vaginal delivery? Correct answer is D. Antonox inhalation. Antonox nitrous oxide provides quick pain relief, wears off rapidly, and has minimal risk in normal deliveries. Next question. In GDM, insulin resistance increases due to. Correct answer is D. Human placental lactogen HPL. HPL antagonizes insulin, leading to maternal insulin resistance and hyperglycemia. Next question. Fetal distress due to placenta abruption is caused by. Correct answer is B. Loss of blood supply. Premature separation of the placenta reduces oxygen and nutrient supply to the fetus, causing distress. Next question. Which fetal position may cause prolonged labor? Correct answer is B. Occipito posterior. Occipito posterior position often leads to a longer and more painful labor due to malrotation. Next question. A photograph's alert line helps detect. Correct answer is C. Delay in cervical dilation. The alert line represents accepted labor progress. Deviation signals slow progression. Next question. Main reason for neonatal jaundice in GDM. Correct answer is C. Polycythemia. Increased red cell mass in infants of diabetic mothers causes excessive breakdown and bilirubin rise. Next question. Most accurate way to confirm syphilis. Correct answer is C. TPHA. Treponema pallidum hemagglutination assay confirms syphilis after initial VDRL screening. Next question. Prolonged labor increases the risk of. Correct answer is C. Uterine rupture. Sustained strong contractions in prolonged labor may lead to rupture, especially in scared uteri. Next question. Which fetal abnormality is linked to polyhydramnios? Correct answer is B. Encephaly. Encephaly impairs fetal swallowing, causing excessive amniotic fluid accumulation. Next question. Preterm labor is commonly triggered by. Correct answer is B. Infection. Intrauterine or systemic maternal infections are leading causes of early uterine contractions. Next question. Earliest sign of fetal distress on CTG. Correct answer is C. Variable declarations. These often indicate cord compression and are typically the earliest abnormal CTG finding. Next question. GDM is confirmed using which test in pregnancy? Correct answer is C. 75G OGTT. Oral glucose tolerance test is the gold standard for diagnosing gestational diabetes. Next question. Drug of choice for gonorrhea in pregnancy. Correct answer is D. Ceftriaxone. Ceftriaxone is safe in pregnancy and highly effective against Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Next question. A thick meconium stained liquor in term labor suggests. Correct answer is B. Fetal distress. Thick meconium indicates fetal hypoxia and requires close monitoring or immediate delivery. Next question. BSOP score is used to assess. Correct answer is C. Cervical readiness for labor. BSOP score evaluates cervical dilation, effacement, consistency, position and station to decide induction success. Next question. Commonest type of placenta previa is. Correct answer is D. Low-lying. A low-lying placenta is the most frequent form where the placenta is near but not covering the cervical os.